I'm happy to be able to report to the country that uh, the, uh, the levels at which we have been able to find these smuggled goods and to eventually destroy them has increased steadily over the last year and a half. January to March, we are well on our way also to achieving even more seizures of these illegal vapes. They have smuggled these in without any permits, any kind of documentation. At pinagbibili na nga dito sa Pilipinas. And the very serious problem that accompanies that, na walang documentation, na walang inspection, dahil yung iba rito na ininspeksyon natin ay nahanapan, may laso na nakapasok doon sa liquid na ginagamit na pang-vape. Kaya lalong-lalo na nakakabahala dahil kung titignan natin yung packaging talagang para sa bata. Kaya ang target market nila bata. So patuloy natin gagawin ito, and I just wanted to highlight the efforts and the dangers that the efforts that we are doing and the dangers that accompany these smuggled vapes, far and beyond the loss in revenue to the government. More important to us are the health issues that these smuggled vapes raise.
Ang nangyari po ngayon ay condemnation ng about 2,977,000 pieces of vapes na nagkakahalaga ng 3.2 billion pesos. Yan po ang kabuuan ng nahuli natin. Excluding pa po dyan yung mga nahuli natin sa airports. 8 seizures from container seizures and about 2 in the implementation of a letter of authority. They all came from China po. This is a strong message na tuloy-tuloy itong operation na to, tuloy-tuloy ang paghuli natin sa mga nagpaparating ng illegal na vape. Sisirain po namin pag nahuli namin kung sa tingin nyo nakalusot po kayo, because minsan dumadaan po siya as mga small items, dumadaan siya nakahalo sa mga malalaking container. On the average po, we're getting 6,000 to 7,000 containers po. Ganun po karami. Baka hindi natin nakita. We can still go after you sa mga bodega nyo with the exercise of the visitorial power. Pupuntahan po kayo ng mga officers and intelligence officers namin at sa mga enforcement officers namin para huliin at i-seize itong mga to. Sa mga kabataan, alam ko minsan parang cool na may hawak tayong vape. But tandaan nyo, ito ay isang bagay na nai-ingest nyo sa katawan nyo, and it may cause hazards sa health nyo. At hindi natin alam, baka mamaya may mga chemical dyan na it will shorten yung buhay natin. So sana mag-ingat tayo. Let's go for products that are safe, that are already being tested by our DTI and FDA. And siyempre, ang primordial sa atin is your safety and health.